Imagine driving a powerful V10 or V12 engine and suddenly feeling a rough idle or a loss of power, almost like the engine is fighting itself. That is the scary reality of code P02BE, which stands for cylinder 10 fuel trim at max limit. This is a serious one. It means the computer has detected that cylinder number 10 is running dangerously lean, meaning too much air and not enough fuel. The fuel trim system is trying to save the engine by dumping in more gas, maxing out at usually around 25% extra fuel, but it still is not enough. A lean condition like this is severe because it can melt pistons and cause catastrophic damage if ignored. So do not just clear the code and hope for the best. Start by popping the hood and listening. Do you hear a hissing sound? A vacuum leak near the intake runner for cylinder 10 is a classic culprit. It sucks in unmetered air that the computer doesn't know about. If it's quiet, look at the fuel injector for cylinder 10. Is it wet? Is it leaking externally? Or maybe it's clogged and not spraying at all. You can use a mechanic's stethoscope to listen to the injector while the engine runs. You should hear a steady, rhythmic clicking. No click means a dead injector. You also need to verify fuel pressure. If the pump is weak, it might not be delivering enough fuel to the back cylinders. Connect a fuel pressure gauge and see if it holds steady. If the mechanics check out, use a Noid light to ensure the computer is actually sending the signal to fire the injector. This code is a specific cry for help from cylinder 10, and answering it quickly is the only way to save your engine.